everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system, reset phone and reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and reset factory set. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.